Hi folks, and welcome back to Old School Studios. First thing we did here was put the tub drain kit in, because it's a whole lot easier putting this in when the tub is not in the bathroom. It's liquid Teflon, plumber's putty, and it's ready to rock and roll. So we're going to fit this thing in here, and let's get started with that now. Of course. Oh, I gotta open a new tube. Not good. Okay, so I'm going to put in this bathroom shower faucet, and I have all my copper ready to go. Those screw onto here, and I'm going to get started with that now. Alright, so why am I not focusing? Alright, so the Ote on all the threads, bing bang boom, put it on generous, it can wipe it off, you know the drill. All of my fittings are all cleaned, they're all fluxed, clean and flux, clean and flux, and my shower head clean and flux. So I am going to get all of these put together, and I'm going to solder them, and I'm going to do it right now. Alright, I think I have this thing in the exact position that I need it to solder it up. So I'm going to get a wet rag and protect my joints right here, and because I have to solder kind of close here and here. This is pretty far away, and that's way far away. But let me get a wet rag, and I'm gonna get these soldered up for y'all. Alright, so here's where I'm at. The back of the tub is secure, the tub is secure, the left side secure. The water wall is all soldered in place in my shower head. In this corner, I had to fur out so it's level with this wall because I'm putting beadboard, and I could taper this right in with mud or whatever I have to do. So I guess the next thing I'm going to do is head down the basement and put the drain together so I could turn this thing on and test it before I cover up the water wall and finish all my drywall patches. So we're going to head down the basement and get busy with the drain. So the first place I want to start down here is I have this straight shot down, and I'm thinking if I put this ring on here and I start with a compression fitting like so, and then I glue down, and I'm kind of thinking of doing one of these numbers like this. I got my P-trap, so it'll be a little piece of PVC pipe, little piece. I'll make a bend going this direction, and I think that'll work out nicely, and I could still have a compression fitting to work in here. So I'm going to get started with that. I kind of need two hands, and I'll be back at you in a sec. Alright, so when you're doing PVC, you always use the purple primer and the medium clear PVC cement. Clean all your fittings, inside, outside, everywhere. Clean them. And glue them, and then stick them and hold them for a good 15-20 seconds. Alright, what I come up with is something like this. It comes down out of the tub. I established a P-trap up, and then it's going to head out and down. I am, for some reason, missing one elbow, and it is 5 o'clock, so I am out of here, folks. I'll see you tomorrow.